firing some BBs off today, and two weapons I'm going to be using is what looks like a 9mm, and it's little BBs. It's CO2 powered, so it fires up. And my last weapon is a typical just rifle. I'm going to be firing at those cans down there. Let's start firing. We'll see what happens. Perfect. Except missed one time. Now this is what happened. You put a new CO2 canister in. Watch the firing pattern. Alright, let's try the pistol again. This is a Daisy Red Ryder. And then you just pull the trigger. Pistol, however, all you gotta do, put the clip on the top and just hold it in. Pretty fun. I've had with my 3D gun. Shooting some cans, so thanks for watching.